All right, welcome to Gus's world. So, honey, what did you make? He said he made me something for Valentine, so I'm going to take a picture of it because he's always making stuff. What did you make?
A heart.
You made me a heart? Honey, that is beautiful. That is gorgeous.
Remember that, all those chunks of cottonwood that James brought me?
Yeah?
Well, one of them had all the bark on the outside fall off.
Huh.
And then I noticed
All
that it
those
had a point on
stars.
the end.
Yeah?
So I thought, well, if I just cut a little groove in it and sand it up, it'll be a heart.
Honey, that is so beautiful. It's so soft.
So yeah, sanded a lot of sanding because it was pretty rough.
That is so sweet.
And then put a little oil on it.
My little Valentine.
There you go.
Thank you, honey. I love you.
Welcome, love. Hey everybody, this is Gus. I just wanted to throw a couple pictures up here of what a piece of wood similar to this one looks like that I've got in my shop. I also wanted to apologize for not showing you all the work that was done to make this happen. In the future I'll start dragging the camera around with me or have Carol with me so that she can video as things come up.